Hi, I've got X10 open here, and I pulled an object that I imported from my library browser. This thing here, and I'm going to open it with the open symbol tool, and you can see Z is selected by default. Let's just click on the rotate and watch over here what happens. It rotates it along that axis. Let's change it to Y. See what happens? And then X. So whatever you want to do, the tools are there to help you. And what I would recommend is just do what I just did. I don't do this sort of thing all the time, so I'll open the thing and open the dialog, and then choose an axis, and then click on rotate until it does what I want. That's not very scientific, but it's workable. And it's not hard to understand. You can see the results right here in the display window. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Have a good day.